Why do 80% of sloths come down from trees once a week to use the bathroom? Let's explore more wild animal facts. Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? How fabulous is that? And get this, octopuses have 3 hearts. That's 2 more than we have. Here's a shocker. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that were over 3,000 years old and still edible. Oh, and pandas, they do handstands to mark their territory. And here's one for the bird lovers. Hummingbirds can fly backwards. Talk about impressive aerial skills. Lastly, cows have best friends and get stressed when they're separated. Oh, who knew cows were such softies? So, there you have it, some truly unbelievable animal facts. Which one blew your mind? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts. Until next time, keep loving those animals.